All right, guys, we're back at it again, this time with a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. You guys remember Jack from Past and Present Motor Cars?
How's it going?
Hanging out with him, as well as his son, Paul.
Hello.
The apprentice, learning to drive.
Yeah, learning to drive stick shift.
So the first video that we did, it was a 70 Chevelle. So we're looking at a different car here. I'm gonna hand it over to Jack, since he knows more about this than I do.
Man, well, this is a 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Two-door hardtop. So the hardtop makes sure there's no post between the front and back seat there. Very desirable body style. This one features a 350 V8 motor. It's got a cam, it's got power steering, it's got some nice conveniences, vintage air conditioning, and power front disc brakes. So all the conveniences you'd want, but in a the iconic 1955 body style.
It's so classic looking. So surprising that it's a 55 and has air conditioning.
Yes, it's been added, but it's a nice feature. When I turned on the cold air, you did seem a little surprised.
Yeah, I was like, what? Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Very nice. Like you were saying, it is cam, so it does sound lovely.
Yes, it does. These are a little too old school for me. Traditionally, I like original, but something about this car, I would go a little more pro touring style. But it sounds so good.
It does sound nice. What'd you say with 350?
It's got a 350, putting out about 380 horsepower with the cam and the big intake.
380 horsepower, wow.
So it's getting a lot of horsepower, that small block.
What's the story behind it in terms of rebuild, restoration?
Yeah, so, you know, an older restoration, you know, the paint is just incredible on this car. Nice deep red paint showing that metallic. Not sure how much the camera picked that up or not. In the sun here, it just looks stunning. And tuck and roll interior, kind of period correct for what people liked in the old days. Set of torque thrust wheels with black walls, and really sticking with the era correct look on this 55 Chevy.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure we can pick up that.
Yeah, this paint, I mean, look at it right there with the sun in it. It's freaking, I hate red, but I love this red, you know what I mean? This guy had it a while in Ormond Beach, but he bought it just like we have it now, so he didn't restore it. He bought it just like this. And the red paint is incredible. Everything's nice on this car.
What do you think of this car?
It's nice, and I really like the color with the black interior, and it drives really good.
Yeah. What's your favorite out of the ones that you've driven with your dad? You a fan of the Chevelles as well?
Yeah, but I really like this one.
If you could pick one, only one, which one would you pick?
I would probably pick the silver car.
Yeah? The Cortez Silver?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice. Listen to that. This thing is beautiful, guys. So clean. I mean, look at this.
When I say buy it, I don't... Yeah, it's like...
Easy enough.
Really... Come on, bud. Yeah, just look at this thing, man.
He's like, heck yeah.
This thing's just killer. So this 55 Bel Air is just a perfect example of what, you know, was available in 1955, but with some modern upgrades. It's got power windows added, which is just incredible here. Really nice feature. Yeah. It's got power steering, which is really nice. Power front disc brakes, which you'll see as we're driving, really helps us stop on a dime. And then the interior otherwise is really very original, other than an upgraded tape player that didn't cut up the dash at all. You know, one thing you kind of pointed out, the little bow ties on the dash. Just a really cool look. But the tuck and roll interior is very era correct, and the dash and everything else as well. Just somebody bolted on a nice tack. But just a really good example. I hear the original clock working over in the dash.
Yeah, you can hear it ticking.
Clicking. Yeah, just a fine example of a nice 55 Chevy.
So he's gonna do a couple pulls, let you guys hear it from out here. 350, it sounds great. That cam. Yeah, you guys got to hit the like button if you appreciate that sound. Thank you, sir. Ooh, the seat is comfy. Thing sounds so good.
Sure does.
All right, so you were talking about horsepower. You said it has about 380 what?
380 horsepower.
380 horsepower? Okay.
350 small block, and that's thanks to the cam, the 4-barrel carb, the intake. A lot of nice upgrades to that 350 motor that's making it sound and perform as well as it can there.
Oh yeah, what's the weight of the car?
You know, probably still under 4,000 pounds.
Yeah. Love how the there's no post right here.
Yes, that's the beauty of a hardtop.
Yeah, nice.
You know, some people prefer a post car. I prefer no post like this.
Yeah, it looks
Nice.
great with no post.
It's
I like
a
it a lot.
really good look.
Yeah, it's just nice and open. That's crazy.
Isn't that nuts?
55.
55.
Wow.
But I mean, added this stuff. It's a really nice 55 Chevy.
A lot more roomy than the Chevelles.
A little bit.
Headspace.
A little different body style, right?
Yep.
Everything works down to the horn.
Is it like a two-tone like that, the harness?
Yeah, maybe not. We woke it up.
Oh, that's fine.
This has a great sound, this car.
A lot more headroom. I like it. Hui. All right, there you have it, guys. The 1955 again, right?
Yep. 55 Chevrolet Bel Air.
Chevy Bel Air. So one thing I noticed whenever getting out here, whenever you open the door, it's a pretty cool thing. This flap right here. How cool was that?
Thanks again for coming by today. You got to see our new showroom for the first time, which is just really exciting for us. We've grown since you visited last time.
Quite the upgrade. Good
Yes.
job, guys.
Yeah, really appreciate that. And no, this 55 Chevy does everything it's supposed to. It's just a great running, driving, and looking car. And you can see this car, all of our Chevelles, and all of our other great muscle cars on our website at pastandpresentmotorcars.com, or stop by and see us in our Winter Garden showroom.
If you guys want any information on them, be sure to check out the description down below. I'll be sure to drop links, phone numbers, all that good stuff. If you guys end up hitting them up, tell them Blockhead sent you. And we're on to the next car. What are we picking next?
You picked one already.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Well, thank you guys.
Thanks for being here, man. We appreciate it.
Bye.
All right, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all be sure to post down in the comments below. Let us know what y'all think. This is the second one of these that we're doing. But you guys let me know what y'all think. Post your thoughts down in the comments section below. I know a lot of you guys really enjoy these videos. We're paying homage to like classic American muscle. Y'all be sure to go check out past and present motor cars on their Instagram, on their website, and all that good stuff. Really important. You guys let me know what y'all want to see. If you guys have any special requests in terms of any of the cars that you see here that you want to know more about, you guys let me know. Comment down in the comment section below. I think we're going to be doing this one next. For some reason I got like a soft spot in my redneck mullet wearing heart for this one. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit that bell icon so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. And until next time, you guys ride safe out there, stay vigilant, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.